The ocean awakens. Massive swells signal a relentless challenge ahead for the crew. Beneath the surface, a kingdom unfolds. This is the domain of the tuna, the ocean's elite athletes. Look at that iridescent shimmer. Every muscle is a masterpiece of biological engineering and power. A gaze of pure dominance. One powerful thrust of the tail creates a whirlwind of white water. A true predator in action. Lightning-fast strikes tear through the bait ball with lethal precision. On deck, the tension rises. Every piece of specialized gear is checked. Every knot must be flawless. The live bait is set. The ultimate game of chess between man and nature begins now. Advanced sonar technology scans the depths. The target is locked. The hunt is officially on. Engines roar and ice is prepped. The crew stands ready for the moment of impact. The boat surges forward. It's a battle of mechanical horsepower against the raw strength of the sea. Hooked! The rod bends to its breaking point. Harness up, this is going to be a long fight. The reel screams. The tuna dives deep, fighting desperately to throw the hook. Extreme friction. The reel is spinning so fast it's actually smoking. Unbelievable power. A test of pure endurance. Every inch of line gained is a hard-fought victory for the angler. It refuses to give up. Violent thrashing below creates a chaotic vortex of bubbles. Seawater floods the deck, but focus remains unbroken. Perseverance is the only way to win. Dangerous heat. The friction from the line is intense, testing the hunter's resolve to the limit. There he is. A giant of the deep breaches the surface. The reel screams. The tuna dives deep, fighting desperately to throw the hook. cold sweat and exhaustion. This is the ultimate test of human endurance and spirit. The monster finally breaches, a giant tuna, weighing hundreds of pounds, thrashing against the boat. Every turn of the handle is a struggle. The golden reel holds firm under immense pressure. Almost there. The crew works in perfect harmony to bring this beast alongside. Secured! The harpoon strike is true, a massive victory for the seasoned fisherman. The final effort. Heaving the giant on board requires every ounce of strength. Towing the legend, the ship heads back to port with a prize that most only dream of. A breathtaking haul, this Bluefin King is hoisted high for all to see. Truly a sight to behold, a perfect specimen from the deep blue. Touching down on the dock, the hunt ends, and the journey of taste begins. The eye of a titan, even in rest, its presence is overwhelming. Preparation begins. Fresh water washes over the skin to preserve its meat quality. Surrounded by ice, temperature control is the secret to world-class sashimi. The final descent into the cold storage. This fish is destined for the finest kitchens. As the sun sets on a successful day, the ocean reflects the glow of a job well done. A peaceful return to port. The boat sails home under a spectacular golden sky. Docking at twilight. The harbor is alive with the stories of the day's catch. The auction floor heats up. Bids soar into the tens of thousands for this magnificent catch. Precision in every cut. A master's touch is required to honor such a noble fish. The artistry of the blade. Delicate carving reveals the rich, fatty marbling of the meat. Deep cleaning. Every fiber is respected, ensuring the purest flavor for the plate. Exquisite texture. The knife glides through the ruby red flesh like butter. Pure perfection. Notice the intricate fat patterns that define the highest grade of Otoro. The master's final check. Every slice must be perfect before it reaches the customer. Temperature check. 15°C down to 05°C. Perfect chilling for the ultimate dining experience. Extracting the core. Sampling the fat content to guarantee excellence. A masterpiece of Otoro. See the incredible marbling that melts at room temperature. A sensory experience. The chef checks the aroma and texture of the prime cuts. Opening the treasure chest. The finest cuts are selected for the final dish. The stage is set. Tools of the trade ready for the final transformation. The final creation. A perfect piece of bluefin tuna nigiri, topped with fresh wasabi. The soy sauce glaze. A final touch to enhance the natural richness of the fish. From the wild depths to the table, a journey of passion, respect, and culinary excellence. Thank you for joining us on this incredible hunt. See you on the next adventure.